Hey everybody, I just thought I'd throw this video out there. I looked on YouTube and all over Google, the internet, to figure out how to take a Keurig Brew and Chil apart so that you can reset the thermoswitch. I purchased this morning off of an auction, picked it up, and there was no power whatsoever. No matter what you did, none of the lights on the top would light up. And that would be a good indicator, at least for this machine, that the thermoswitch has tripped on the internal parts, and you need to get in there and reset it. So to take it apart, this whole back covering comes off as one piece. It's two pieces, but it comes off as one. What you're going to be looking for is on the bottom of the machine. On the bottom of the machine, there is, let's see, there's only really one screw that holds this in place, the cover in place, that you have to remove, and that would go right here. Everything else are these little clips that you're going to have to unclip. And then once you slide it, once you go to pull it off, you have these little L clips on the casing here, and then also over on this side, so on each side, and those correspond with these sections on the rest of the casing. And then on the other side, they're here, is what you're looking for, to slide that casing up to be able to get that off. Now the switch you are going to be resetting on the inside, you can take this section off if you want. It unclips here, and then again over here on this side right here, there's a real tough, kind of like a stiff clip that's got to pop out. And then the whole thing, once you get there's two more screws here and two more clips on the bottom of this panel. Once those are out of the way and you got all the screws out, it'll pivot forward, and you'll hear the snaps at the bottom pop almost like they're breaking, but they don't. And then you can lift that whole front section out, but you don't need to get to the thermal switch. All you need is a paper clip, and the thermal switch is right down in here. Let's see, there we go, there's a good angle. So the thermal switch, just bear with us, is right here where the end of the paper clip is, where you see these two. It's an insulator, and then you got the two different wires, and you got a center hole right here. The center hole is what you're going to be going for to get the paper clip in, to push on it a little bit and get that thermal switch to reset, so then you will have power on your Keurig Brew and Chil. I hope this helps you out, and if it does, I guess leave a like on the video. Thanks.